Hello, my name is Ian Senio, known as Dangle Snipes 24.
I'm Owen Johnson.
And we are the Puck Bros. My first peak will be the Sam Garnier. My second peak will be the Patrick Kane. My third deke will be the Datsuki deke.
This is one of the hardest deeks ever. And he did it!
I did it. My fourth deke will be the forehand backhand. My final and last deke will be the spinorama.
The backhand forehand or forehand backhand is used by getting Malkin most of the time.
Spinorama. Goal. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to Owen Johnson and Dangle Snipes 24. Thank you.